This is the Wider 42, a twin 370 horsepower, 53 knot Arneson surface drive sports cruiser from the mind of Pershing founder Tilly Antonello, and it has a very unique selling point, as the name suggests. Yes, at the touch of a button, 12 seconds later the cockpit doubles in usable space. It also has inflatable furniture on deck which you can throw into the water, a fully digital steering wheel, and matching jet ski in its own dock. Below there's a convertible berth and a separate head unit. And check out these detachable saddlebags either side of the saloon too. Dismissed at first maybe as a flight of fancy, this is now very much a real boat, and MBY have tested it. It can be yours for around £830,000.